for being here because we are also having the fundraising event for Bahay Ni Maria because we're trying to give them a better home. And this is in Calamba, Laguna. And for now, we're trying to raise straight to the point 19 million to raise and build this house.
You know, Jing has been the kind of person who really focuses on family, right? So
Yes.
you could see every time he's about, he's with either with his kids or he's taking care of his family. And the people who are here, we are all part of the Jing Monis family.
Just dreaming since our mother's baby was died last year. Sabi ni mother, sister ma, maging center head ka. Mother's like, tama na po sa akin maglinis ng lola. But then, ang hirap. Sabi ko, paano kami? Nahirap yung aming bahay, sobrang sira-sira. Pag umulan, hindi namin alam kung saan kami sasahod kasi iba-iba yung natulo. Tapos, hindi kami pinaben, we just rely on God's providence. He really provides everything.
We're very thankful that the sisters actually are here, no? Personally, I was surprised na, nandito yung mga sisters. But the fact that they went from Laguna, no, tama? Laguna, Calamba, all the way here, it means that this means a lot to them. And what we've provided for this evening means a lot to us. And we're just very blessed to be a part of this initiative. So thank you very much.
Sabi namin, sino naman po kami para mapansin ninyo. Marami po kayong pwedeng tulungan. But then si Lord talaga, we're so much thankful kasi si Lord pa ang nagpadala sa inyo para tulungan at pasin ang mga lolas and sisters. Si Lord na po bahala mag-reward sa inyong lahat ng inyong mga kailangan, sa mga kailangan ninyo sa inyong buong pamilya.
During the lockdown, I don't know parang, everyone's online and then doon kami nag-usap ni Jing first time. And then, parang, we just had this idea, you know what, let's do a collaboration. And then, when we met, it was August last year, as I remember. Parang, doon siya nag-build na, what if let's do it an exhibit? What if let's do it as a fundraiser? Parang, padagdag siya na padagdag. Nag-layer siya. And then, parang doon na nag-form na, okay, maybe our talents have a purpose.
Well, just a short story. I was invited 7 years ago to give parang a free haircut sa Bahay Ni Maria. But opportunity that year where my dad was sick, so I wasn't able to go. So the following year, they invited us again to do the same thing. So I decided to go and see for myself. And then, nung nakita ko sa kanila, medyo hindi ko kinaya. Super heartbreaking siya na you see all the lolas na hindi maayos yung tulugan, yung bahay nila. So parang the following year, my mom died and promised her that this will be for her. We're trying to raise funds for them to give him a better shelter. So I hope you can help us. Even a small donation will help them. So thank you for coming.